the Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 3, Understanding the Laser Beam.
Well, we've got the science behind us now. So here we are at the machine today. Now we're going to have a bit of fun and games with the laser beam because, hey, this is a laser machine after all. And what we're going to do is to try and relate some of the physics that we talked about last time in that boring theory session and see it in practice. Now it is important that you understand the concepts that we talked about last time because they are essential to the way in which this machine works. And as we come across them, I shall keep endlessly, boringly repeating them, making sure that they get drilled into there. Now let's see how much science you can relate to what I'm going to demonstrate today. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you the answers. I'm not going to say too much about the laser tube itself, other than the fact that the laser beam is bouncing off of a mirror over in that corner there. And it bounces off of a mirror here, and then it comes across here and bounces off a mirror here, passes down through this lens tube here, and there's a lens stuck in there to amplify the laser beam.